Pushyabhuti Vardhan Dynasty 6th-7th century AD. Pushyabhuti Vardhan Dynasty founder Pushyabhuti, a small ruler, Thanesbad, Kurukshetra, Haryana, early 6th century. Background: feudatory of Gupta assumed independence after Hunain invasion. Rise under Prabhakar Vardhan 580 से 605. Rise resisted Huna's married daughter Rajyasri to Makhari king Grahabarman. Rajyavardhan 605 से 606. Elder son killed Devgupta Malwa, but himself murdered by Sasank, Gauda ruler. Rajyasri flight husband Grahabarman killed, imprisoned, later rescued by Harshvardhan 606 से 47. Accession: and younger son of Prabhakar Vardhan, crowned at 6 after brother's death, rescued sister Rajyasri from Vindhyan forest. Capital shifted from Thaneswar to Kannauj. Empire extended Punjab, Bengal, Odisha, eastern Rajasthan, Ganga valley up to Assam. Southern limit Narmada. Defeated by Chalukya Pulkesin II. Title: Parameswara Maharaja Sakala Samrat, called Sakalotar Patheswara in Chalukya records. Conquest: diplomacy. Drove Sasank out of Kannauj. Later conquered Magad with Sasank death 637 AD. Defeated Dhruv Sen to Vallavi but reinstated him. Gave daughter in marriage and thus secured western boundary. Foreign relations: sent Inobi to Tang Empire. Tai Song received 3 Chinese missions. Hyun Tsang visited 635 से 43. Praise prosperity, mild punishment, charity. Assembly Kannauj 643. Honored Junjong, promoted Mahayana Buddhism. Prayag 643 से 44. Religious festival of every 5 years. Origin of Kumbh fair. Religion survived by faith, inclined Mahayana Buddhism. Patron of Nalanda, granted 100 village revenue. Administration: monarchy. Province Bhukti, district Besya, village Gram. Land grants led to feudal tendency. Economy: agriculture backbone, land grant to Brahmin temple. Trade route active, guild flourished. Society: Varna rigidity, Brahminical dominance. Buddhism patronized, Jainism tolerated. Literature and culture. Author: Ratnabali Priyadarshika, Nagananda. Sanskrit plays patronized, Banabhat, Harsh Charitra, Kadambari, Mayura Sataka. Others: Banabhat noted Harsh as skilled lute player. Declined, died 647 without her. Thrones usurped by minister Arun Samba. Empire fragment, Deccan and South India. Chalukya of Batapi Badami 543 से 757 AD, followed by Vakatak power, founded by Jaisimha. Capital established at Batapi Badami in Bagalkot district of Karnataka. Pulkesin II 609 से 42. The most famous ruler who successfully checked Harshvardhan's design to conquer the Deccan. Aihole inscription, a famous eulogy of Pulkesin II written by his court poet Rabi Kriti. Foreign relations: sent an ambassador to the Persian king Khusrau II in 625 and received one in return. Visitor: the Chinese pilgrim Hyun Tsang visited his kingdom. Fall of Pulkesin II. Pallava ruler Narasimha Varman Mammal invaded, killed Pulkesin II and captured Batapi. Title: Narasimha Varman adopted the title Batapi Konda, conqueror of Batapi, and after this victory, end of dynasty in 757. Chalukya were overthrown by the other feudatory and Rashtrakuta Danti Durga. Religion: patronized Shaivism, Vaishnavism, Jainism, Buddhism tolerant. Art: architecture Visara, Deccan, fusion of Nagara, North Dravida, South Badami, cave temple, Saif, Vaishnav, Jain, Buddhist. Aihole, cradle of Indian architecture, Saw plus temple. Patadakkal, UNESCO site, Coronation Place, blend of Nagara and Dravid. Durga temple, Aihole. Virupaksha temple, Pattadakal, prime example. Literature and culture: Rabi Kriti, Aihole inscription, Pulkesin II. Achievement: patronage of Sanskrit, Prakrit, Jain Buddhist learning center. Visara style or Deccan style. Architecture style: Chalukya began the Visara Deccan style structure temple, which later picked under the Rashtrakuta and Hoysala. Ayodhya temple, town of temple, contains 70 temple key specimens. Jitendra temple, Meguti temple by Ravigarth, Vishnu temple, Larkhan temple attributed to Surya, Durga temple, Pattadakkal temple, Nagara style, Papanath temple, Dravida style, Virupaksha temple and Sangameswar temple, Pallava of Kanchi, founder Simha Vishnu, revived Pallava power, defeated Kalvaraj, capital Kanchipuram, Tamil Nadu, greatest ruler Mahendra Varman, one patron of art, converted from Jainism to Saivism, built rock cut temple at Narsim Varman, one Mamal 630-668, defeated Chalukya Pulkesin to built Mamalpuram, Mahabalipuram monument to Nandi Vardhan to Pallava Malla, stabilized king after decline, revived his constant war with Chalukya of Batapi and Pandya, administration monarchy province, Kottayam district, Nadu village, Gram, land grant common. Religion, Saivism and Vaishnavism dominated, Jainism and Buddhism tolerated, art and architecture, rock cut temple, Mahendra Varman, Mandagapattu, Mahabalipuram, structural temple, Narasimha Varman to Raj Simha, built Kailasnath temple, Kachi, sword temple, UNESCO site, style Dravida architecture, early phase, literature and culture. Patronized Sanskrit, Tamil, Dandin, Bhadabi, Kirtarjunia, Flores under Palwa, Kanchipuram, major learning center, declined, defeated by Chola Aditya I, 9th century AD, Pallava power, absorbed empire, dynasty founder, capital, religion, Maurya, Chandragupta Maurya, first pan-India empire, advisor, Chanakya, Sung, Pushyamitra Sung, Patliputra general who killed last Maurya king, Kanva Vasudev, Kanva Patliputra replaced Sunga, Satvahana, Simuka Parth, Pathan, Maharashtra, Deccan power promoted Prakrit, Kusan, Kajula, Khadipis, Pura, greatest ruler Kanishka, Gandhara, art, Gupta, Sri Gupta, Patliputra, golden age, Samudragupta, Chandragupta, Bakatak, Vindhya Shakti, Nandi Varman, Paravarpur, allied with Gupta, patronized Ajanta cave, Pushyabhuti, Thaneswar, Kannauj, greatest ruler Harshvardhan, Chalukya of Badavi, Jai Simha, Batapi, Badavi, Karnataka, Visara style temple, Pulkesin II versus Harsha, Pallava of Kanchi, Simha Varman, Kanchipuram, Mahendra Varman, Narsim Varman, one Dravida style temple, Rashtrakuta, Dantidurg, Manne Kheta, patronized Kailash temple, Ellora, Pandya, legendary Kadungan, Madurai Sangam, age patron, Chera, Uthain, Chera Lathan, Karur Sangam, literature, Chola, Karaikal, Chola, Kaveri Pattinam, later revived by Vijayala.